Hi everyone, so I'm making a Jamaican marble slice cake. So I start with about 10 to 12 ounces of butter, and now I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, that is 8 ounces. And I'm gonna cream that together. I'm going to be adding 3 eggs. So I whisk these 3 eggs carefully. I add the egg one at a time. Well, it's beaten, so I just imagine that that's one. The second one. Final. So I'm grating some lime rind at this point. I'm gonna do about half teaspoon. Okay, so that was the lime rind. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla, or maybe 2 teaspoons would even be better. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And it's almost like a disrespect to leave out Ray and Nevy out of your baking, right? So that's a teaspoon of rum.
Alright guys, now she's blending it all together.
Guys, so I'm adding 3/4 cups of milk. I know you love me, Anika.
I love you, Mommy. And she loves me too.
So there I'm using 2 cups of flour. Okay, so that was 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I mix it all together and throw it into the liquid mixture, and I start combining it with a wooden spoon. Or I can use the mixer. At least let me use the mixer with a little part of it so that it's done faster. Alright, and at this point now, I'm going to color it in 3 different parts. For the black part, I add cocoa powder and black coloring, some yellow coloring to a portion of it, and then green coloring. That's it now into the pan. And then here it is in the oven. And now it is out. Alright. The oven was 350. It baked for 30 minutes in a 18. I didn't even tell you I was doing the cake in a Jamaica flag style. So here I am, getting it done. And thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe.